Are you looking for a convenient way to transport your delicious baked treats? Look no further than our 6-inch portable round cake carrier with handle. This multi-purpose container is perfect for carrying or storing cakes, cupcakes, cookies, pies, muffins, breads, anything you like to bake. One of the standout features of this cake carrier is its food-grade PP material. Not only is it safe for storing food, but it's also recyclable, making it more environmentally friendly than paper cake carriers. With a total height of 4.9 inches, it's suitable for cakes less than 6 inches in diameter. The clear plastic dome is a great addition to this cake carrier. It not only showcases your deliciously decorated creations but also keeps your cake icing and delicate decorations safe and secure with its generous high sides. To ensure freshness, 2 strong locking clips secure the dome to the tray. Transporting this cake carrier is a breeze, thanks to the sturdy, sliding handle on top of the dome. It's easy to grasp and convenient to carry. Whether you're traveling in a car, enjoying an outdoor picnic, or simply storing your cake securely in a busy kitchen, the stable base and strong locks of this cake carrier have got you covered. In addition to its functionality and design, this cake carrier is also shockproof and waterproof, thanks to its ticker cover. Each tub comes with a thick colored handle and a flat base on a clear dome lid, making it ideal for party cakes. When it comes to specifications, this cake carrier is made of food-grade PP material. It is blue in color and has a top diameter of 8.2 inches, a lid bottom diameter of 8.8 inches, and a bottom diameter of 9.8 inches. The package includes one portable round cake carrier. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Before purchasing, please ensure compatibility with your destination. With its convenient features and durable design, our 6-inch portable round cake carrier with handle is the perfect companion for all your baking adventures. Don't miss out on this must-have item for cake enthusiasts. Get yours today by clicking the link in the description.